So, in order to dive deeper in our understanding how the brain copes and deals with stress, we need to have a quick recap at the nervous system, which is something that we all have learned in school, but if you're a little bit like me, then you've forgotten everything we learned. So let's have a quick look at this again. So the autonomic nervous system, the autonomous nervous system is basically what governs all our essential life functions. Heartbeat, blood pressure, lung function, sexual arousal, digestion, all these vitals that we have are governed by the autonomic nervous system, and we differentiate it in two parts, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system, which is what mobilizes us, what activates us in healthy ways, for example, when we have sport, when we do sports, when we play games, when we watch our children at a school performance, or when I'm giving a talk like this, for example, when you give a talk in your office or in front of an audience, that mobilizes that certain energy that we need to get going. It also creates the fight-flight response, which is a lot of energy. And maybe you've heard about these stories where people lift cars or something because somebody was underneath. They say, studies show that we have 30% more muscle performance when we are in this fight-flight response triggered by cortisol, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. So a powerful cocktail of hormones. And no matter what you do at the gym, that's why people dope themselves maybe, because you couldn't have this power. And the parasympathetic nervous system is the other side, which is more for rest and digest. So when people, for example, are stuck in sympathetic more, they have digestion problems. So that's rest and digest, being able to regenerate, relax, to recover from stress, to be able to be in social engagement. And the parasympathetic nervous system is not just, oh, it's just chill. There's more to it. And this has to do with the vagus nerve. So this guy has actually two parts. And this is what we're going to look at in the next video.